Module 3. What makes a diagnostic assessment diagnostic? In order to determine and gather evidence of what knowledge a student has in their learning, assessments are completed. Through forms of assessment, educators are enabled to attain information and draw inferences in regards to a student's current knowledge of particular content. 3 types of assessment can be used as an integral part to learning. Assessment for learning includes both diagnostic and formative assessment, whereas assessment of learning involves summative assessment. A diagnostic assessment is used to identify the prior skills, knowledge, strengths and weaknesses of a student, which is relative to the learning objective. Additionally, a diagnostic assessment can be used as an opportunity to clarify misconceptions, identify particular needs, and plan for learning to assist these needs. Choosing an effective diagnostic assessment is essential to acquiring valid evidence and should be undertaken prior to commencing new learning. Why diagnose a student's difficulties in mathematics? The importance of diagnosing a student's difficulties in mathematics is due to the fact that it is critical in order to enhance academic success. Educators must be capable of identifying the students that need additional support quickly and efficiently in order to plan and implement individual, small group, and whole class instruction. Explicit mathematic instruction has been noted to be effective when teaching students with math difficulties. Using the approach of explicit instruction leads to crucial interactions amongst students and teachers surrounding critical math content. A diagnostic assessment also allows for students to become aware of their current capabilities in order to progress towards achieving self-regulated learning. What will you do with the information the diagnostic provides you? Once the information is collected from a diagnostic assessment, educators are enabled to provide different tasks to students which will assist in improving their mathematical knowledge and skills. In saying this, it is imperative for educators to apply differentiation for the range of levels. As a result, all students, irrespective of their stage in mathematical development, have the opportunity to advance their knowledge of mathematical concepts. Diagnostic results empower educators to adopt different teaching pedagogies to eradicate the knowledge gap between the students within a classroom. Finally, students are provided with a clear direction of what they need to accomplish to become successful.